So if you're thinking of a business idea to start, or you're just passionate about fashion, you just want to do something that is related to fashion, then this is the right place. This is what you need to listen to. So please don't drop at any point. You're going to love this. Hi guys, and welcome to A Beauty Collections. This is a fashion brand, and A Beauty Collections is here on another episode. I'm going to share fashion business ideas for you, and thank you for joining this channel. If you're just watching for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. It's so beautiful to have amazing people watch what I do and also subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing something amazing. I'm going to be giving top 50 fashion business ideas that you can do, or any other person. And as you can see me in a very lovely environment. I decided to do something special today, something different, just for you to see how beautiful nature can be. And you know, when you're trying to get business ideas, or as an entrepreneur, you need to be in a very cool environment for your brain to be able to think. You need, just get away from all the busy things of life and just come to a cool environment, enjoy nature, look outside. Even while you're looking, you don't know, you might be able to see something that would stir up your mind, or stir up what you desire to do. And that's why I'm outside today. And as you know, it's summer, so I'm also wearing an easy breezy dress, something really cool, and something I don't have to, I'm so comfortable wearing what I'm wearing. And as you know, it's from A Beauty Collections. So if you like what I'm wearing, if you like this dress, it's an Ankara dress. It's an Ankara mixed with a crepe dress. So if you like this, you can also get it from A Beauty Collections in Finland. So trust me, you would enjoy this video. Sit back and relax. So how do you watch? So number one fashion business idea for you is to start a shoe line, a shoe business. You can decide to get people to make the shoes for you. You can order from companies, but that is a very lucrative business. Everybody wears shoes. I don't know who doesn't wear a shoe. So that is the number one, and it's awesome. This is one fashion business that can never go extinct. The second one is to write a fashion related book. So many people are enthusiastic about fashion. You might not even like to wear so many designer stuff and all. You might not even like to be so fashionable, but you can express your mind about fashion. Then this is definitely for you if you like to express yourself about fashion or about fashionable things. The third business is start selling on eBay or Jumia or Etsy. Start selling on eBay or Jumia or Etsy. So for people abroad, you can decide to sell on eBay and Etsy, and for people probably in Nigeria or other parts of other African countries, you can also decide to sell on Jumia. I believe Jumia is like a business that is almost everywhere in Africa. So you can decide to sell on Jumia. And what can you sell? You can sell anything. You can, especially on eBay, you can even sell second-hand clothes. So if you believe that, oh, my clothes are getting worn out and all of that, just take a picture of them and put them online and just sell them. Number 4, make fashion belts. Make fashion belts. People are like, even if they're not crazy about fashion belts, everyone should use a belt, especially men. They want to use a belt. So this is not even about having a belt line for females only. You can also use it, you can also make it for guys. So guys could use your belt. It could be a unisex belt line. So that is another business idea you can do. The 5th business idea is create unique t-shirts. I don't know if you've seen this kind of t-shirts that they just have words. It could just be like babe or boss baby or cute babe, or it could even be the name of your brand. Look at Nike, look at Adidas. They have their own brands and they have their t-shirts with the names imprinted on it, listed on the front of the t-shirt. So this is something you can do, and you can do it anywhere. And the good part is that you really don't need a lot of funds to do this, or you really don't need to travel out of the country. You don't need to go international before you can do this. You can also do it right where you are, in the country you are. Just look for manufacturers of already made t-shirts, and then you customize it. But if you know you're going on a large scale, you could contact people probably in China or in Turkey or other countries that have like low cost of production for their products. Companies that produce t-shirts in your local environment. For example, in Nigeria, because I'm a Nigerian, so I will refer to that a lot. For example, as a Nigerian, you can decide to go to Lagos, that's on the island, to get like these t-shirts. There are some t-shirts that are not branded yet. So So when you get these t-shirts, you can take it to your own people, to people that can brand for you. There are also people on the island that are involved in this, so you can take it there and get it branded. For people abroad or people that are in other countries in the world, you can also do the same. Get a contact from Alibaba or from AliExpress, and then make the deal. You can just get a sample first, and then subsequently you start to get your product and you start to sell with your own brand. That's a very good one. Trust me, you can make money. Unique t-shirt. The number 6 is start making handbags. Oh my god, handbags are really underrated, but the truth is they sell a lot. Handbags sells a lot, and the good part of it is that if you're making these handbags, people know that they are getting quality. They are not just getting like a fake brand, like a copy of the real brand. So your brand is going to just stand out. Your brand is your brand. So you're just going to be like, probably you're making a bag, a Louis Vuitton bag, then you also make your own. So that's like, you have a brand, and it's not like a copyright of Louis Vuitton bag. Women love to carry bags. I know you like to carry bags. I know you love a lot of bags. For example, I'm really not a bag freak, to be honest, but I know so many people that love to carry bags. Like, they can't even do without carrying bags. They are not complete. Their fashion is not complete without it. So that's another good one. If you cannot also make, you can buy and resell, but you can just make it bags. You can have like Bags and Co Limited. Like, you get something fashionable, trendy bags. You get just start it and just get it. Okay, the number 7 business idea is you can deal in watches. You can deal in watches. This is a very amazing business, because not so many people are really concentrating on watches except the big brands. People are more comfortable wearing Gucci watches and all of that, but if you can get like a standard and a good watch, there was a brand that I actually got from China years back. I can't remember the name right now, but I'll check, and I'm going to add to this video. The brand is such a beautiful brand. I think I can rate it alongside designer watches. It has its own name too. It's not just like no name watches. So if you have a company that can produce that for you, which you can get, it's going to be excellent. So you can start a wristwatch brand, and you can cost really superb. So when people are wearing, they'll be like, oh, I'm wearing Mary watch. Wow. So do you have the Mary watch? And trust me, target these teenagers. They like all these kind of things. Like, I'm also a teenager, you know, so we like all these kind of things. We like all these kind of stylish things and all of that. And when the name is actually trending amongst people, then everybody begins to ask for it. Oh, do you have the trendy watch? Do you have the Mary watch? Do you have the baby watch? You know, that kind of thing. You could even make baby watches. Yes, baby watches, and customize them to your name. Watches that could tell babies what time it is. I don't have that here, but as I'm talking, it's also coming. So you can have a watch that would have, like, you know, it's already, if the child should press something, it says the time. It is 2 o'clock. Do you think that's not a good one? It is, trust me. All right, so the next idea, number 8, is be a personal stylist. Like, do you think everyone can combine clothes together? I don't think everyone has the opportunity to, or the characteristics of, okay, does red go with yellow? Does yellow go with blue? You know, not everyone has that charisma. Not everyone has that time. So, and some people can actually pay for it. If they see that you've got a good dress sense, if they see that, oh, look at what she does, this is super, and you can do this without any capital. I mean, with 0 capital, you can start it. You can be a person. Next, number 9, start your own clothing line. Start your own clothing line. You know, that's what A Beauty is about. This brand is, A Beauty Collections is a brand that is going places. We are not where you used to be, and then we are also moving higher. So if you have a clothing line, everyone wears clothes, and you can decide to streamline your own clothing line. It could be like a swimwear, it could be like a short. Just get creative with this. Just be creative with it. If you think that, oh, I love to make clothes, and you don't have to make this clothes yourself. That's the truth. You don't have to be a professional tailor before you can make your clothes, before you can get these clothes done. Yes. If you want more information on that, send me a DM. Send me a DM. Send me a DM. My link is below. I'll give you more information about that. This is what I'm really good at. I'm really good at the clothing line thing. So just send me an information. Send me a message, and I'm going to put you through. Then become a fashion blogger or a columnist. So what do I mean by this? You can decide to just write a blog about, okay, for example, it could be the fashion week, the London Fashion Week. You can just write something about that, or probably you see that there's a trend, because every season has its own trend or has its own color. Okay, for example, it's in autumn. You can decide to say, okay, what are the colors for this autumn? And then you write about it. People can also know that, oh, so orange is what I'm supposed to wear this autumn. Oh, where can I get this orange sweatshirt? Where can I get this orange pants? Where can I get the orange bows? And those kind of things, it interests people. So if you are able to find out and to write this fashion blogs, people will buy. People will buy your services. And then you also get paid along the line.
For watching this video, and please watch out for the other ideas in next videos. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you again some other time. Bye.